How are we gonna hold our Oh my god, look at that bug! Look at that bug! Oh, get it away from my phone! Look at us adventurers!
Not comfortable, let them know.
And wave your strong hand behind you all the time, right?
Okay.
Ready? Vamos. Ready?
Okay.
Let's go. Fly your hand.
Where am I going? Oh, I think I'm going this way. Holy fuck, that was crazy. Is that Sky? That's Sky. Okay, I'm gonna keep going. What is that?
Pisote.
Pisote?
Sí.
What is it? Pisote. Adventurers out here in this bitch. You did good. Did you do it? Yeah.
Did she pick it out over there?
Oh, great. Moral of the story, my crotch is in a lot of pain, but that was crazy. Is it over?
Where's the thing at that?
What the fuck? It's an agouti.
Get close, don't be scared. Scary.
Oh, I feel so bad. So we're on horsies. No! Ah! These horses scare me. You probably think I'm crazy. The zip lining was easier than me being on the horse.
Si me está posteando, si vea el audio por ahí, que me lo mande a la oficina.
Basically, everyone is on their own horse, and I had this guy riding mine because I was too scared to go alone. I didn't want to be on a horse. I feel bad for him. I'm also scared of everything, so I'm in the back. Me and my friend. That was crazy. We did not die. We are now at lunch, and this looks amazing. What is this? Sugar cane juice. Yeah, we didn't die. I did cry once. I almost backed out of horseback riding, but I'm alive. Everything has been really crazy, and been ziplining and horseback riding, which was, I didn't like the horseback riding. I was kind of scared. There was a bull and I cried because they were like making it run around in circles. There's something over here that everyone's looking at. We're on a little hike right now. What is it? Little gecko. Little gecko. Is he? Oh, little baby. He's over there. My bath time. Ti amo. Mwah. I love you. I love you. Bye. Mwah.